Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure a lot of you have been there. You stay up late writing dozens of pages thesis or finishing a spreadsheet with thousands of rows, and before you hit save, your computer suddenly blue screen or the software crashes. You restart it, look everywhere, but there is no sign of auto recover option. Don't rush to rewrite everything. In 2026, as long as your hard drive isn't burned out or damaged, those unsaved files are actually still hidden in your computer. Today, I'm going to show you how to recover unsaved or deleted Excel files. Let's go! Why can we recover files we don't save? Because when you use Office or Adobe software, it keeps creating temporary swap files as you work. Even if the software crashes, those physical traces cached on the disk tracks won't disappear right away. As long as no new data overwrites them, they can be restored. So here's the first rule. Stop all writing operation immediately. Don't restart the software repeatedly. This will permanently overwrite your data. First, let's try two official self-rescue methods. They're simple and don't require any extra software. First method, recover from Office itself. Open the corresponding Word or Excel software. Click File, into the top menu bar, find Info, then click Manage Documents, and finally select Recover and Save Documents. The system will automatically find your recently unsaved files. Just open and save them once you find the right one. Second method, manually find the hidden path. Open File Explorer, type of data, Microsoft in the address bar, and press Enter. This folder stores the cache files automatically created by the software. If both places are empty, it means the system file index is damaged. Regular methods won't work, and you will need to use a professional deep scan. That's where PandaOffice Drecov comes in. It's optimized and the bottom for data recovery after computer crashes, and it has an extremely high success rate in identifying cache fragments. Step 1. Locate and scan. Launch Drecov. Click Deep Scan. Check the partition where your files were lost, usually the C drive. The software will bypass system commands and directly reorganize the original disk track records. Step 2. Precision filtering. Important. To find the right file among thousands of results, use Drecov filter. Tip 1. .tmp or the prefix for temporary files in the search box. Tip 2. Sort by modified data and log into the exact minute your computer crashed. Step 3. Preview and recover. Even if the file name is grablet, just click Real-Time Preview. If you can see the text or tables, it means the file has been successfully recognized. When you click Recover, make sure to save it to a USB drive or D drive. Never save it back to the original location. Finally, here is an advanced tip. This recovery method doesn't just work on Excel. You can use it the same steps to recover unsaved projects from professional software like PR and PS. Drecov supports more than 1,000 file formats. It's like a real-life underbody for office workers, students, and designers. Data recovery isn't a magic. It's a race against time. The sooner you act after losing files, the higher the recovery success rate. I've put the Drecov download link in the video description. You can download it for free and use the free scan feature to check if your files are still there. No cost at all to verify. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this content helpful, please give us a like, save it, and subscribe to my channel. I will share more practical tips on data security and file recovery later to help you avoid all kinds of data loss pitfalls. See you in the next video. Bye!